Juice of the lemon. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, just wanna share. So by the way, guys, I am not feeling good. 3 days already, na guys. I have a cough, a very dry cough. So hirap ako makatulog sa gabi kasi umaandar yung ubo ko during midnight or during dawn. So when I'm coughing, it's very painful to my lalamunan, connecting to my head and to my abs. So for today's morning, guys, but uh I just want to say to all of you, if you are new here to my channel, even though it's not this content for now is not a sexy content, but if you watch this video and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, click the bell button, especially the all, for more notify when I have new vlogs. So guys, anyway, my channel is all about try on haul, like sexy content. Not all the time when I have a video is a sexy all. I have a travel adventure, workout, skincare, but most of all is try on haul. Any try on haul, then I have a little challenge. So if you miss this other video of my channel, you can visit my playlist so you can check it all. I have to arrange more lingerie for 2023, old lingerie, travel adventure, legal challenge. So let's proceed. Let's continue our main topic for today. So just want to show how I treat my cough for an organic way. So we prepare this morning and today. So let's get started. Just one show. So I have a lemon. Wait. Then I have pure honey. So we're going to wait. They have this and this. So hindi natin ipakita ng maayos sa camera baka ma-violate ko. So I just wanna slice this one. So I got this. Then I request to get the juice of the lemon. Wait, I forget a spoon. Then the pure honey. So I mix 2 tablespoons. So pure honey can help when I have having a cough. So hindi ko na siya inilagay sa rep, guys, baka mas lalo siyang mahirap pag ilagay natin sa iba. Then we put warm water 1 mug. So, yun guys. So, pag kaya ko pa siyang hindi inumin ng gamot, so mag-prepare muna ako ng organic whey. So let's dissolve the pure honey. Pure honey, then hintayin natin na tamang-tama yung init niya bago natin siya inumin. Sarap sa feelings pag uminom tayo ng lukewarm water everyday. So, yun ang ginawa ko guys. For the empty stomach, every morning, kumuha ako ng lukewarm water at inumin ko siya bago ang lahat. So, that's it guys. Just this is my sharing to all of you. Bye for now.